For all the DIY car lovers out there, you'll get what I mean when I say the car suddenly had problems and it wasn't easy to figure out. Luckily, I didn't give up. This is real DIY work. I had to strip the whole dashboard just to trace a single wire. If I had sent it to a normal workshop, they probably wouldn't have found the issue in a day. And if I had taken it to a Range Rover service center, the cost would have been way too high. Thankfully, I had the right diagnostic tool made for Range Rovers. That saved me a lot of time and money. It helped me find the exact problem quickly, and I managed to fix it myself without paying crazy repair bills. That's the power of doing it yourself. You learn, you understand your car better, and in the end, you feel proud because you solved it with your own hands. It might take time and effort, but it's always worth it, and it definitely saved my wallet this time.